Motorcycle riding gears are made from the toughest pieces of fabric and made to withstand the shear forces that you suffer in the case of a fall. Yet they are so delicate that a one-time wash with all the wrong methods can easily destroy them. Here are a few tips and tricks that you should keep in mind while washing your motorcycle riding gear. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll share with you few tips and tricks to keep in mind while washing your motorcycle riding gear. First, we have the riding jacket and the riding pants. Now these jackets and pants come in all sorts of different type of material. Mostly they are mesh jackets and mesh pants, and there are varieties which are 100% waterproof or a mixture of both. Both needs equal care while washing. So here are a few do's and don'ts that you need to keep in mind while washing your rider's jacket and rider's pants. Okay, so the first step to washing your riding jacket or riding pant is to remove all the protective padding that comes in the jacket or in the pant. It will be usually around the shoulders, the elbows and the back. So there will be pouches where it is situated. So you have to remove all the protective padding first. You don't want to wash the jacket along with them. Just comes off like that. So this will be there around the shoulders, elbows, back, and if it's in the pants, it will be around the knees. Remove them first. In case of mesh jackets, please be gentle when you're removing it. The mesh is not very strong to hold all your shear forces, so be careful. The second step is that if you have any tough stains on your jacket, on your pant, manually clean them with a damp cloth like this. Just wipe them off the jacket surface or the pant surface before you put for wash. Tough stains might not go while you're washing in the washing machine or hand washing it. So remove those tough stains with a mild soap solution and with a damp cloth. Just wipe it and remove it off. The third step would be to close all the zips before washing. You don't want to put the jacket and the pant with the zips open. It will just bash around the washing machine. So close all the zips. Yep, that's done. Even the pocket zips also. Before you close the pocket zips, make sure all the pockets are empty. You don't want anything inside them. So the fourth step is you should soak your jacket or pants in just plain water. Please do not use any detergent of any sort when you're soaking the jacket or water. The main issue what happens is if you soak with detergent, all the reflective lining that you see here, these are all the protective and reflective lining of the jacket and the pants. While you're riding in the night, this will reflect light, so it is very important for safety. If you soak it in detergent, this lining might come off. So I did the stupid mistake of soaking this jacket first in detergent, so the lining came off quite a bit. So soak the jacket or the pant for 10 to 15 minutes maximum in plain water and nothing else. The next point to keep in mind while washing riding pants or riding jacket is to use the most delicate mode available in your washing machine, and use the most delicate of technique if you are using hand wash. And when it comes to the detergent that you need to use the most mildest one. The best thing to use is a body wash or a soap solution. Never use detergents like Surf or Tide and all those harsh detergents. It can be detrimental to your riding gears. So use the mildest detergent like a body wash or a soap solution. Once it is washed, do not twist the jacket to squeeze off all the water. Never do that. And do not dry it under direct sunlight. Dry it under the shade only. Now if your jacket is made up of leather, then please do read the specific instructions that is given in the manual of the jacket on how to wash it, because leather has a different set of rules that you need to follow to wash it. So please follow that. For all the other jackets like this mesh jacket ones and the fabric ones, follow these rules. So next we come to the riding gloves. Now most of the gloves have leather component in it. The best way to wash them is to just wipe them with a damp cloth. The entire glove surface you can wipe them with a damp cloth, and even use a mild detergent to wipe all the dirt off your gloves. And never soak them in water or machine wash them. These leather parts are very delicate and it can come off very easily. So never soak them with a heavy detergent, never soak them at all, and never use machine wash. Best way to clean it is with a damp cloth. And make sure you dry them under the shade and never under direct sunlight. The same rules apply for riding boots also. Now when you come to helmets, most of the riding helmets will have a detachable helmet lining that you can remove like this. This lining along with your balaclava can be washed separately. You can soak them in plain water for 10 to 15 minutes before hand washing or machine washing them, and you can use a mild detergent and delicate techniques like I showed you when you are machine washing them or when you are hand washing them. These two, please don't dry it under direct sunlight, dry it in shade only. Now we come to the rain gears. So when it comes to rain gears, you can wash them under running water or use the same old technique of using a damp cloth with a mild detergent to clean the entire surface. Never machine wash them, never hand wash them, and never use twisting techniques to dry them after washing. Rain gears also should be dried only under the shade and not under the direct sunlight. Riding gear can last a very long time if it is given the proper care it deserves. Follow the specific instruction that comes along with each riding gear for the best results. If the gear is severely damaged, it is better to replace with a new one. Anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.